Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to set up this Echo Show 10. So it comes with this little template. This moves, so you want to make sure the area around it is clear. It can move all the way around, and that's why they give you this little template. So wherever you place it, make sure there's no obstruction by putting this template around. Very easy to do. Now, in case you're wondering what that size actually is, it's 14.5 inches wide. Okay, so let's measure how tall it is. About 9 inches. Now you can rotate this, and you can rotate it flat. So it does come with a power supply. You are going to have to keep it plugged in all the time. The cord is 58 inches long. It is the 30-watt power supply. So you can plug this into 100 to 240 volts, 1 amp, 50 or 60 hertz. Output is 18 volts, 1.67 amps. And you're simply going to lift it up. We got to plug it in on the bottom. So be careful, the base does turn, but there is a spot. Plug it in, and then it comes out the back right there. So that will be the back side. Now it does have a camera on it. It does have, we can shut that camera off, and we can also shut it off so it doesn't listen to us, and it's got a volume button, and it has a microphone. Okay, so let's plug it in and set it up. Now this is the Echo Show 10 because the screen that you see is 10 inches. Now overall it's about 12 inches, 10 inches that way, and about 7. That one's about, yeah, 10. Okay, so it looks like it's getting the Wi-Fi. Okay, so find your Wi-Fi network, click on it, and you may have to add the password for that Wi-Fi network. Okay, so I entered the password, now it's connecting. Okay, so it did ask me for my username and my password for my Amazon account that I had to enter. Now I'm hitting continue. Okay, so as you're typing on it, the screen is kind of a little bit loose, but it kind of finds a spot where you're going to be able to use it. Okay, looks like it wants to know now, it wants to know where is it? Where is the Echo Show placed? Against a wall, on an island, or in a corner? I'm going to put on an island. All right, so it's moving. It's going to show us exactly how it moves and what the range is. So it moved all the way. It can't do 360s. It does a 360, but it has to go one way and then back the other. So let's say you don't want it, you can slide these, looks like. Oh, yeah, see, I can slide those. If I don't want it to go all the way that way, I could slide it, but I like it. That's a pretty neat feature. You can put it to here and to there. That way it only goes so far. Okay, so if you did adjustments, it's going to re-verify it, and now I hit save. Now I can adjust where the idle position. So where do you want like the home position to be? Do you want it to be over here? Or do you want it to be right here? So that's kind of nice. I want it to be right about here. No, let's do it right about there. And hit next. Okay, so if you want to adjust the brightness or anything, swipe down from the top. You can do not disturb. That's where the settings are. The smart motion, the notifications. Now you're responsible for adjusting the angle. It only turns. Okay, so in order to get the device to follow you, so say your face is over here and the thing is pointed over here, it's going to find you when you say the wake word. So I'm going to be over here. Computer, are you online? There.
Yes, looks like this device is connected
and now
to the
it follows
internet at the
me. I
moment.
can move back and
If you
forth.
are having connection issues, I can take a look to understand what.
Now after a little bit, it will stop following you and it kind of goes back into the home screen. But as soon as you say the wake word, that's when it will start following you. Okay, a really neat feature in your Alexa app on your smartphone, you can go into the Echo Show 10 and you can click on the camera, and now I have full access of the camera. And now all I have to do is swipe and it will move the camera. There's the camera moving. That's pretty cool. So I can check on all things around my house in a circle from this camera. And again, if you want to turn that motion part off, just hit the smart motion and that turns it off. So, and this does have smart home. We got different widgets we can put on here. We can see different lights. We can see different video lights. And it's following me when I'm in this mode. Go to cameras. You can see all your different cameras. Yeah, the screen's really bright. I love the speaker. The speaker's really bright, and that being able to move is a really nice feature. I hope this unboxing and setup video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.